guys, it's Chantel with Wildberry Quilting, and today I got a really cool package I'm very excited about. I ordered this from Quilting by the Bay. It's the name of the company, and it is the first quilting kit or quilt kit, first quilt kit that I've ever bought for myself. I normally just buy the fabrics and the patterns and go about my way and decide things on my own or use something from a mystery box. But I saw this quilt kit and I just fell in love with it. And I showed it to my husband. He's like, that's the quilt I want you to make for me. So I got it so I can make him the quilt. It is absolutely gorgeous. It's called Northern Tracks. And oh my gosh, it's got all the stuff for the top of the quilt top, I should say. And it's got the pattern. Isn't that just stunning? Oh, it's these bears, and then there's the bear paw blocks. And those bears are just so pretty. They look like they're painted with watercolors, and oh, I had to get it. I love it, and I am so excited to have found the perfect quilt to make for my husband. I know he's going to really enjoy this one. This is going to be at the top of my, sorry about the phone noise. It's going to be at the top of my to-do list. Oh my gosh. It's so pretty. Look at that. Oh my goodness gracious. And that's folded in half. So I'm just going to turn it around for you to see the other half. Isn't that amazing? I love it. It's just breathtaking. So I am very excited about that. I ordered the quilt kit, and I also ordered some of the backing fabric so that I'd be able to complete the whole thing. And this is 108 backing, and it is just as beautiful. It looks like watercolors of trees and all of the beautiful forest stuff. Oh my goodness. I'm excited. I'm making lots of noise with my scissors. All right, I just had that to show you guys that. Oh, and this is the first time I've ordered from this company, By the Bay, and Quilting by the Bay. And I just have to say, I was so impressed with the speed of their service. I placed the order Thursday night at like 10 or 11 at night. And then I woke up the next morning and I had a shipping notification. And today is Saturday and it just got here. So that's a really, really fast turnaround time. That's shipping. That shipped faster than my Amazon orders have been shipping lately, which that's pretty stinking fast. Oh my gosh, I got so excited I forgot to show you everything that came in the bundle. So this is the quilt kit bundle. So pretty. Even the browns are just so beautiful. Almost looks like canyon rocks or something. This is the panel. Oh, and this looks like water. Wow. Now they look a lot like batiks. Look just like batiks to me, actually. But they're not. This is all printed fabric. So if you don't like working with batiks, Don't run away. This fabric's for you. It is the look without actually being batiks. Not that there's anything wrong with batiks. I actually like batiks. This video should be called How Many Times Can I Say the Word Batiks? Ooh, look at that. Oh, so pretty. I just love the colors in it and the way that the colors play together and the fact that it all looks like watercolor. And then we've got a lighter brown. And then this really light green. And you know what? I think this is actually trees. It is. There's trees in the background of this. It's so dreamy. I love it. I can't wait to see what this quilt looks like when it's finished. Please join me on the sew along because you know this is going to need a sew along. Maybe the sew along, I might tell some spooky real life stories or something just to, because this has kind of a spooky feel. Oh, my phone. Hello? Okay.
I can't hear you. Hang on. What did you say?
I said, okay, I love you. I'll see you in a little while.
I love you. See you in a little while.
All right, bye.
We're going right next to the car wash.
Okay. All right, I love you. I'll see you in a minute then.
I love you. See you in a minute. Be safe. Bye.
All right, be safe. Bye.
I don't know.
I hung up too early. Oops. All right, that is all of them. I'm so excited. As I was saying, we're going to have to do a sew along for this. Oh, I haven't had my microphone on this whole time. I hope you can hear me. We're going to have to do a sew along. All right. Well, that was all of them. And please remember to like and subscribe, and we will sew this along together. See you next time. Bye.